Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn some collective phrases from Hindi to English. So with lots of excitement, let's start learning. मधुमक्खियों का झुंड, a hive of bees, a hive of bees. हिरनों का झुंड, a herd of deer, a herd of deer. तारों का समूह, a galaxy of stars, a galaxy of stars. अंगूर का गुच्छा, a bunch of grapes, a bunch of grapes. घोड़ों की टुकड़ी, a troop of horses, a troop of horses. पक्षियों का दल, a flight of birds, a flight of birds. लोगों की भीड़, a crowd of people, a crowd of people. कूड़े का ढेर, a heap of rubbish. रेत का ढेर, a heap of sand. पत्थरों का ढेर, a heap of stones. जूतों का जोड़ा, a pair of shoes. So guys, I hope that you have learned something interesting today. So do not forget to hit the bell icon, like, share, subscribe, and keep learning with your favorite channel, ClassyMe for English.